What we got, Brady?
This is lot 614, the 1968 ESO Grifo GL Series 1, which has been beautifully restored by noted ESO experts. This is one of a 6 mirror examples with the Pavesi sunroof, equipped with the optional factory air conditioning, and the ultimate spec example with an uprated 7-liter 427 cubic inch V8 engine.
It's a beast, and a pretty one at that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. Set it in. I got an absentee bid to start at $200,000 on the books. I'll take $220 now. $200 I am bid. $220 again if you like. $220 I am bid. $240. $240 I am bid. $260. $280,000. $280,000. $280 I'm bid. $300. At $300,000, don't miss a great, great car. And I sell the car today, so hurry up. At $297,500, $300,000. At $325, $302,500, $305. One of only 6 with a Pavesi sunroof. $305, $307,500. Can't go wrong when you buy the good ones. Third and final call. Are y'all done? I have sold $300.